The sixth hole at Palmares is a 357-metre par 4, ranked stroke index 11, offering expansive views and multiple options from the tee. Central to your strategy is the lone bunker placed directly in the middle of the fairway. It's more than just a visual feature, it sits right in many players' landing zone, making your line off the tee a crucial decision. Whether you choose to play left or right of it, both sides offer a fair path forward. The approach to the green brings its own challenges. A trap guards the front left, and deep fairway grass, scrub and rough all wait to punish anything short or wayward. With a tight bottleneck guarding the front, running the ball onto the green is far from guaranteed. But if you can find the surface in 2, you'll be well positioned to card a solid score on this well-designed par 4.